Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make sure you ring the bell to stay notified for when I post. And yeah, let's get into this video. Today I'm just showing y'all how I do my curly hair slick back, and my edges. Nothing major, whatever y'all want to call it. I'm gonna show y'all all the products that I use and all that good stuff, and let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first, I just finished deep conditioning my hair. I don't really use much to do my hair, but what I do use is I use my extreme gel. Sometimes I be using Eco, sometimes I use extreme. It just depends on what I seen first. And then Ebin, I always use Ebin for my edges. The 24-hour tamer. And you know, my comb. I don't got a part, so I don't know why I got a comb. My brush, my slit back brush, y'all. Y'all gotta get the hardest brush in the store, especially when you want your hair lay. Sometimes it don't even lay. What the freak? Oh. And then lastly, my detangling brush. I ain't gonna show y'all the other side because it got hair in it, but yeah. First of all, I want a real slick back, so I'm gonna start by brushing my hair back. So we're gonna continue. Brush where it's needed. You'll see where you need the brush, or you'll feel it. So brush where it's needed. And make sure y'all get y'all kitchen. Oh my God, don't forget, if you know, them little BBs in the bag, get them. Cause people gonna see them. Okay, so just so y'all can see what I am doing. Make sure you put it in a place where you want. It could be high or low. I like mine like kind of the middle. I don't know. Yeah, I like mine in the middle. So we're just gonna keep on doing that. So I don't use the little, I don't use those black scrunchies that I used to use. I use these now, whatever y'all wanna call these. And yeah, get you one of them, or get you a scrunchie. Y'all know which one. And start making your ponytail. Like I said, I like mine a little bit high, so I'm putting it a little bit higher. Okay, so now that I formed the ponytail, I'm gonna start on my edges, pulling them things back out. Because who don't want the edges in it? But y'all see what I'm doing, just pulling them back out. I got a big head, oh my goodness. You know, just pulling those baby hairs. Some of my baby hairs don't come out because I ain't got none. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm gonna finish doing my bun. Well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and start my edges. Alright, so once I put my edges out, get your ebb in, you know, take some, and I mix it with the gel because it just makes it easier to do. So like, I'll get it on. This is the gel and this is the edge control, so I'll put it down. And I put it everywhere first. Okay. And y'all know the little swoop method. I hope y'all do. So you're gonna take it, your finger. Yeah. Take your finger and you're gonna swoop. Swoop. Yeah. Y'all see how that's coming? Okay. I'm sorry if I'm looking at the mirror. So yeah, y'all see how that's coming. Go ahead and do the other side too. But y'all see how it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. So now that I finished my edges, it got into my liking. Okay, now that I finished my edges and got into my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my bun. And so y'all can see, I don't like it to be like too small, but I want it to be kind of big. And because I don't have no bobby pins or I don't feel like getting them right now, I just wrap it around. Sometimes I leave my curls out. Yeah. Wrap it around. Tuck some pieces and take your ponytail holder and boom. I don't know. Sometimes I like for my curly hair to be hanging out, sometimes I don't. But yeah, then you can just tuck. And boom. That's how I do my slick back curly buns with my edges. Hey, our final finishing product. My head is big, I know. But this is my slick back curly bun with my edges and boom, boom. All right. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any more ideas for me to post, comment below. Tell me what I could do better, anything. Just let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.